Standard 3rd, SST, chapter number 16, Kolkata. Kolkata is capital of West Bengal. Its old name is Calcutta. 3 villages were combined during the British period to make Kolkata. Means here we are talking about Kolkata city. So Kolkata is capital of West Bengal and its old name is Calcutta. 3 villages were combined during the British period to make Kolkata. Okay, how many villages they have combined? 3 villages. After that, the Kolkata make. The city got its name from the village of Kalikata. Kolkata is built along the bank of river Hooghly. You can see here, it is Hooghly river. The river connects Kolkata to the sea. It's connect to the sea. Okay. So here they are telling that how the name Kolkata they have make. So the city got its name for the village of Kalikata. Means village it is near situated. So its name is Kalikata, and from that they have kept the name Kolkata. Okay. So Kolkata is built along the river of Hooghly. You can see in the map Hooghly river, right? Kolkata has a mild climate. The climate is mild. It is neither hot nor cold. Means in Kolkata you will not feel too much hot or you will not feel too much cold. Okay. The city receives heavy rain from June to September. In which month rain is falling? Rain is falling heavily during June to September month. Okay. The weather remains hot and humid during the monsoon. See here. In monsoon season, the weather will remain hot and humid. But rest of the month, neither it's too cold nor hot. Rabindra Setu is the old hanging bridge on the river Hooghly. Name of the bridge is Rabindra Setu. And bridge on the river Hooghly it is there. This bridge was earlier known as Howrah Bridge. Which bridge? Howrah Bridge. And now it is known as Rabindra Setu Bridge. Okay. Now another bridge has been built on river Hooghly. It is called the Vidyasagar Setu. First it was known as Howrah Bridge. Okay, earlier, and now it is known as Rabindra Setu Bridge. Old hanging bridge. Okay. But now another bridge has been built on river Hooghly and it's called Vidyasagar Setu. You can see in the map this is Hooghly river, and on one side Vidyasagar Setu bridge is there, you can see in the picture, and here Howrah Bridge. Howrah Bridge is known as Rabindra Setu Bridge also. Okay. The underground railway system called the metro. Local buses and trains are important mean of transport. Means here railway facilities also there, and it is underground and it is called metro. And local buses and trains are important mean of transport. Means in Kolkata mean of transport what they are using, buses, trains, and even they are using underground railway system also, and it is called metro. Okay. Howrah and Silad are the main railway station of Kolkata. There are 2 main railway stations, is Silad and Kolkata. Diamond Harbour is the important port situated on the bank of river Hooghly. Kolkata is the only city in India which still has the tram network. Here in Kolkata, tram network is also still there. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose International Airport connects Kolkata to the other cities in India and the world. So you can see here Victoria Memorial it is given. Collect picture of tram services in Kolkata, show it to your friend and in the class. Means right now you are at home, so you have to search in Google and you have to see the tram services. Fine. Jute silks rice, paper and chemicals are some of the important industries of Kolkata. Here they have given some important industries and they are jute, silk, rice and paper and chemical. Okay. The Fort William in Kolkata is a fort of historical importance. Here Fort William is there in Kolkata and historical importance are also there giving to them. The other places of tourist interest are the Indian Museum, Victoria Memorial, Birla Planetarium, Rabindra Sarovar, Alipur Zoo, Botanical Garden and the Belur Math. The National Library in Kolkata is the biggest library in India. So here they have given some tourist places and here in the last they have told that National Library in Kolkata is the biggest library in India. Okay. Now blanks it is given. Dash is the important port situated on the river Hooghly. So answer will come Diamond Harbour. Okay. Diamond Harbour is the important spot situated on the bank of river Hooghly. So here blanks I am showing you. Right now I have given you answer of that blanks. So answer will come Diamond Harbour. I will repeat spelling also. D-I-A-M-O-N-D Diamond, H-A-R-B-O-U-R Harbour. Before I have shown you on page number 82. Again I am showing you answer of this blank. You can see here Diamond Harbour. Okay. I am showing you here, see Diamond Harbour. Here you have to write the spelling of this Diamond Harbour. Fine. Bangla is the main language spoken here beside Hindi and English. So which language they are using? Bangla language they are using in Kolkata. Traditionally men wear dhoti and kurta, but nowadays they also wear shirt and trouser. Before that what they are using, what they are wearing? Traditionally men's wearing dhoti and kurta, but nowadays they are also wearing shirt and trouser. Women wear sari and salwar kameez. What women are wearing? Sari and salwar kameez. Also with the western dresses like skirts and trouser. Nowadays they are also, it means ladies also wearing sari, salwar kameez and western dresses also like trouser and skirts, right? The famous festival celebrated in Kolkata is Durga Puja, Kali Puja. In another festival that is celebrated here with joy. Means they are what they are celebrating, which festival they are celebrating? Durga Puja and Kali Puja. And other festivals also they are celebrating with joy. Cricket and football are the most popular game. Which game they are playing most? Cricket and football. Bengalis are creative and traditional people. They are fond of music, painting and other art form. Means they are creative people and they means they are fond of music, painting and other art form. The staple food is fish curry and rice. You can see fish curry it is there and here rice is given. They are also fond of sweet, especially rasgulla, which is famous all over the world. Means their staple food is curry fish and rice, and in sweet they are eating rasgulla and it is famous all over the world. MCQ is given. The famous festival celebrated in Kolkata is, so which festival they are using? Celebrating Durga Puja, Onam, Bihu or Navratra. So they are celebrating Durga Puja. So you have to do tick mark on A. And this textbook says I will show you in the next video.